All right, in this video with the graphing calculator, I want to review quickly how to construct a box and whisker plot. So the first thing I'm going to show you, if I go to Stat and Edit, I have already entered into L1. These are SAT scores, verbal SAT scores from 1998 for the 50 states and Washington, D.C. So if I want to construct a box and whisker plot, recall that the first thing I need to do is enter the data into L1, which I have done. So next, notice it says stat plot on the Y equals button. So if I press second stat plot, the plots are off. I'm going to select enter on plot 1, and then enter with the on, and now this turns the stat plot on. I'm going to select the type of box and whisker plot or the type of stat plot I want to use, and I'm going to begin by using the regular box and whisker plot. Recall that it's going to ask, the calculator will ask where my data is. It's in L1, and my data is all unique data. It's not been grouped, so my frequency is 1. If I now simply go to zoom and select number 9, the calculator will zoom the window for me, and I will get a box and whisker plot. Recall that this is not sufficient in a graphed box and whisker plot because I'm going to want you to label the median, the Q1 and the Q3, as well as the minimum and the maximum values. If you simply press trace, the calculator will default and show up at the median. So the median verbal SAT score in 1998 for the 50 states plus Washington, D.C. was 525. If I cursor to the left, I see that Q1 was 501, and I see the minimum is 478. Cursoring back through Q1, the median, I can see that the Q3 is 564 and the maximum is 593. And so there's the box and whisker plot constructed.